My lazy cat. This is Boomer. Mom found him on our front porch one day, fast asleep and spread out like a pancake. When she brought him inside, he curled up, smiled, and fell asleep right on my feet. That's when I knew he was my cat. Boomer is stubby and chubby. He's all puffed up like a balloon. He has two pointy ears that stick out from his round head and four paws that are too small for his body. Boomer is my best friend. He gives the best hugs and purrs like a tiger. But Boomer is lazy. One word can't explain how lazy he is. He's a slug, a sloth, a slacker, a longer, a loafer, a lazy bones. He snoozes and slumbers, doozes and drowses. No one does it better. Then there's me. I don't have a minute to waste. I have judo, swimming, yoga, painting, and pottery, knitting, soccer, and biking with my friends. I have a full day and I can't be late. I don't have time to cuddle Boomer. Get out of my way. I have to get ready for my day. First, I put on my bathing suit and pack my bag for swimming class. But Boomer uses my swim cap for a sleeping cap. Then I gather my paintbrushes and pencils, but Boomer is lying on my art project. Boomer, move! It's almost time for soccer. Last I grabbed my cleats, but then bam! I trip over Boomer. All my stuff goes flying across the room while Boomer snores. What a mess. Now I'll miss soccer for sure. I feel like crying. But then I look at Boomer and Boomer looks at me and we laugh and laugh. Boomer wants to show me something. He leads me to the backyard. We plop down in the grass and look at ladybugs. We listen to the winds blow through the branches of the big pine tree. I'd forgotten the pine tree was even here. We wander over to the pond and listen to the drip drip of the water, the bloop bloop of the fish, and the ribbit ribbit of the frogs. Our stomachs gurgle, so we munch on berries and cherries, tomato, and pick plums and pears off the trees. I haven't done this since I was on vacation at Grandma and Grandpa's house. Now we are full and sleepy. We lie down at the bottom of the cherry tree, and I watch the clouds float across the sky. I hug a Boomer and he purrs like a tiger. We're so happy together, doing nothing at all. At dinner, Mom and Dad ask me, "What did you do today?" "Nothing," I say, and I smile.